Outsourcing has become the preferred choice for many companies seeking quick and seamless software development solutions in 2024. India, holding a 62% market share in the United States IT outsourcing market, has emerged as a top destination for connecting with skilled software developers to turn app ideas into reality. India is a rising software powerhouse, ranking as one of the top countries for outsourcing services. Gold's research found that Indian Unity developers outperformed American programmers in maths and logic assessments by 11%. Hiring Indian developers offers access to high-quality, cost-effective technology expertise, but businesses will face several challenges during the hiring process. This video will explore the 9 biggest challenges that Indian developers face and the solutions they can use. According to the 2024 Unity Gaming Report, approximately 62% of developers use AI tools during development, with many relying on generative AI technology. Let's dive into these challenges and how to overcome them. Rejections are standard for tech-savvy professionals during the job application process. This rejection can lead to feelings of self-doubt or discouragement. Remember that rejections do not define you or your potential. Instead of dwelling on them, consider them opportunities for self-improvement and continuous learning. As you progress in your technology journey, remember to be inclusive and supportive of those just starting their careers. Most tech professionals happily offer advice, share their experiences, and foster a collaborative environment. Participating in forums, tech meetups, and online discussions can help create a supportive and positive community. Setbacks and challenges are part of every tech professional's unique journey. Displaying resilience and perseverance can help navigate these setbacks. Each experience is an opportunity to refine and improve your skills, contributing to long-term success. Remember, each setback can allow you to grow and learn. Determining if a candidate will fit your role in software development is a significant challenge. Recruiters spend, on average, more than 20 hours a week screening resumes to find Indian developers. Evaluating candidates' answers to coding questions and tests, and checking their previous experience and open-source contributions can help assess their efficiency and problem-solving skills. Vetting talent can be challenging, especially for remote work environments. Verification processes, such as background checks and legal issues, affect the time it takes to evaluate candidates. Working with talent acquisition firms that can pre-screen candidates and using practical exercises or skills-based testing can streamline the screening process. Recruiters may experience a lengthy recruitment cycle due to the gap between demand and supply. On average, recruiters and hiring managers spend 60% or more of their time each week screening candidates. Creating a well-thought-out talent screening system and refining your hiring algorithm can help reduce the hiring cycle. The effectiveness of job postings is closely linked with brand perception. Organizations with a minimal digital presence or incorrect information are not considered by candidates. Developing a strategy to brand your employees for culture, growth, and compensation, and using social media to engage employees and customers can significantly reduce your hiring time. Hiring and managing Unity developers from India comes with its set of challenges. However, by understanding these challenges and implementing the right strategies, businesses can access high-quality, cost-effective technology expertise. Remember, a successful tech career is built on continuous learning, resilience, and a supportive community.